In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a school dashboard for your sixth form subjects in Notion. If you want one place to manage your classes, notes, assignments, revision, and exam prep, this setup is a great way to stay organized without making things too complicated. The goal is to build a dashboard that helps you see everything important at a glance and makes it easier to keep up with your workload week by week. Start by creating your main sixth form dashboard in Notion. This will be your homepage, the central place where all your school information connects. You can give it a clear title and keep the layout simple so it's easy to use every day. Think of this page as your academic control center. Next, add a page or a database section for each of your subjects. This helps separate your work clearly, so each subject has its own space. You might have one section for each course you're studying, and inside each one, you can keep related materials together. This makes it much easier to switch between subjects without losing track of where things are. Once your subject areas are set up, create note pages for lessons, topics, and revision. This is where your dashboard becomes really useful. Instead of keeping random notes everywhere, you'll have a structure that lets you review content quickly later on. You can organize notes by lesson name, topic, or date, depending on what feels most natural for you. The important thing is to stay consistent so your notes are easy to find when exam season comes around. After that, add an assignment tracker with due dates and status. This is one of the best ways to avoid missing deadlines. You can include the name of the task, when it's due, and whether it's not started, in progress, or completed. Keeping this updated gives you a clear picture of what needs attention first and helps reduce last-minute stress. Then add a revision timetable or a study checklist. This gives your dashboard a forward-looking section focused on preparation. A timetable is useful if you like planning your week in detail, while a checklist works well if you prefer flexibility. Either way, the purpose is to make revision feel manageable and visible. Next, track exam dates, mock results, and week topics. This helps you focus your effort where it matters most. By keeping results and weaker areas together, you can spot patterns and adjust your revision more effectively over time. Finally, review your dashboard weekly to stay organized. This step is what keeps the whole system working. Use that time to update assignments, check upcoming exams, tidy notes, and plan your revision for the next week. If you keep it maintained, your Notion dashboard can become a reliable system that supports you throughout sixth form.